In normal times, non-pandemic times, we are a gathering place. In the summertime, this area has become an extension of that. Russ and his partners really want to have events here.
Two partners, the three of us that have banded together to try and do economic development through supporting businesses and arts things that provide livable wages and good products and things that are meaningful.
We were a bakery. It was a natural thing to build a pizza oven. Well, pizza is bread, you know. I mean, we make bread every day. I don't want to say that it's easy, but it's a fun melding of what we think of as cooking and what we think of as baking. We make what we think is a great crust, and that's kind of the easy part. Our chef in the kitchen, Rob Booz, is responsible mostly for the toppings that are going on. So he and I are kind of collaborating on this in that way.
It's phenomenal, man. I told them they should do it every day.
I'm sure every business in the country has been, and the world really, has been affected by this, by the pandemic, and has had to adapt in order to survive if they have opportunity to do that. In this particular moment, which could be a long moment, like we're figuring out how to adapt and still be a place where people can get together, because I think really, even though we have to be very conscious of how to do that safely, people need it more than they ever did. For us, the real important thing here is to continue to figure out how we can create a space for the community to be together, to enjoy good food together. That's always our goal,